week or last 10 days belong to our minister. I think this is the fifth bill, fourth bill. All those bills related to education and so uploadable that the triple IT bill 2, then RT bill, and this is one, the Indian Institute of Management Bill 2017. At the first instance, let me congratulate the Honorable Minister in bringing out such a wonderful bill, which is first thing, the most important thing which I liked out of it is that the autonomy, and that is what we required for a long time. Unless you give autonomy along with responsibility and accountability, we will not get the desired results. What is happening in the all government sectors, why institutes, even in the public sector, the autonomy is not there. Make them accountable. Till this, we give you autonomy to run the business, show us how much competent you are in the market and prove that you are metal. And then you will find some of the PSUs also will work finely. First thing is that while doing so, हम जब सोचते हैं कि इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट बनाने की ये IIM जो है बने हुए हैं ऑलरेडी, अब वहां शॉर्टेज ऑफ स्टाफ अगर होगा तो मेरे लिए चिंता की बात है। अब इस विषय में जब हमारे पूर्वलक्षी सारे सांसदों ने जो विचार प्रकट किए हैं, मुझे यही बात लगता है हमने 20 इंस्टीट्यूट को नेशनल इंपोर्टेशन का दर्जा दे दिया। आउट ऑफ दिस, अपार्ट फ्रॉम 20, hundreds and hundreds institutes are nowadays running like a market. You go to any college, all degree courses, all engineering courses, some of the private, you see while traveling in the plane itself, you pick up any magazine and you see the number of institutes are there, number of engineering colleges are there, number of management studies are there. We do not have any idea what sort of syllabus they are imparting to the students who are learning over there. Are they have the equivalent standards to those of IIM, and we have IIMs who are having an equivalent standard of the global? One has to think of it very seriously, sir. Our second part is that it is come under the RTA also. You have brought this bill where you have said all these IIMs will be under the purview of RTA also. So therefore we will have a nexus to know what exactly is happening. And while doing so, what I have experienced in the past, I'll tell you. Sir, some of the IIMs, forget about IIMs. I can understand IIMs have their own standard, they have got their own syllabus. But the other institutes also, I myself have faced, Prakashji, you won't believe. My nephew who appeared for an exam of the IIM, for the management studies, not IIM. The management colleges like Wellinger and other institutes are there in. You have come from such a place. Pune is a national hub of the education. So you know better than me, in fact. That institute conducted an exam for the admission. A boy who has passed, secured distinction in engineering, wanted to go for a management study, appeared for their exam. The result he got, 99 point and some percent marks he got. Still he did not get admission. They demanded money for that. And this corrupt practice is still going on. Some of the institutes have got they have their branches all over the country. So no, you want that boy should be admitted in Mumbai, they'll say no, we have a vacancy at Bangalore, go to Bangalore. If you want Mumbai, again pay money for that. This is the practice which is going on, and therefore I request through you, madam, to the Honorable Minister, when you have brought such a wonderful bill, please look into that also. We will have around 8,000 to 10,000 students studying in the IIM. 5 lakh students are studying in the other colleges, which are conducting MBA course only. They give MBA degree only. But whether that MBA degree and that of MBA degree of IIM are the equivalent? We'll have to come out very openly on this subject. Second thing, fees and the donation. Very high fees, sir. One cannot afford. Forget about education. Now the NPS, the banking NPS, the record of the banking NPS will find the students we have taken a loan for the education are not able to repay the loan just because they did not get the job of that remuneration, of that quality, of that higher pays. They are not able to repay the loan, sir. Again, we are facing NPA there also. The other day also, while discussing on the triple IIT bill, I said the same thing. This is again a concern. Now we say 20 lakh rupees fee. Suppose a middle class or a lower middle class boy who has already is a talented boy. What government is going to do to protect such a talented child or a talented student? I would like to know you from that. Loan is one of these things, but there again we have to take care of this. What best we can. Third thing, I appreciate you. What a wonderful. I mean, the minister doesn't want. Yes, surrender his post. I don't want to be the chair. It's really, really applaudable. No one in a political field or social field also loves to leave the chair. You are the person who loves to leave the chair. Prakashji, hats off to you. I really heartily congratulate for you. The alumni of these colleges, IIMs, they have throughout the world are working. Some of those are getting very high salary. They show their gratitude to the institutions from where they are learnt. They are also giving the fees and all those things. I had some dreams in my mind. Suppose apart from this institute, existing institutes, if a new IIM is to be opened, who will form the board? Who has got the power to form that board? These are the existing boards. They will run. But if you want to form a new IIM, who has got the powers to form that board and give them the delegations of the power? और छोटी सी बात करूंगा मैं एक, इन्होंने जो बात की थोड़ी सी मुझे शशि थरूर साहब की बात अच्छी नहीं लगी. 1 second, within 1 minute. In education field, we talk about reservations and other things. We have talented people from our SC, ST, sir. Very high talented boys are there. They are securing good marks. We should go for a talents only. May he belong to any caste, creed, region, religion, tribal, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. Don't go for that. We want to impart, we want to bring the future of this country or of the child of the country, and therefore we should impart a very high and standard education. और बाद में एक ही बात करूंगा जो उन्होंने बताया, हमारी पूनम जी ने भी अच्छा भाषण किया, तो उन्होंने जाते जाते एक ही बात कही थी, हमारे पंख मत काटो, ताकत दे रहे हो तो मैं उन्हीं को बता, तो आपने अच्छा पंख दिया है. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से उड़ान नहीं होती, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. आपका हौसला बुलंद है, इसके लिए मैं आपका अभिनंदन करता हूं और इस बिल को समर्थन करता हूं. धन्यवाद.